They got me walking again. Had to drop the trailer. Leave the guys banging. Come and walk yet another school, man. I don't know, I guess the first 4 we done. You're like, oh my goodness. So they just added 2 more. Grateful. Forever grateful. Keep putting that work in, y'all. We're gonna have to set this one on fire, baby. I don't think it's ever been done since inception. It's pretty bad. Oh my goodness, looks like asphalt. But anyway, man, I am getting ready to go back to where I just came from, which is about 15 minutes from where I'm at. And keep doing what we do. Y'all stay tuned. Peace. Yeah, I'm just getting back from doing an estimate, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull up here so that we can get this corner over here and not have to move the trailer.
Dirty tires on my clean floor.
He said, I'll put dirty tires on this clean floor. Yeah, you better get your ass off my floor. You better get off my floor. So you ain't rinsed that. You ain't rinsed this yet. You haven't rinsed here yet.
I haven't rinsed that.
Okay,
yet.
got you, bro.
You good right now?
Right there, good. All right, cool.
I'm getting.
Yeah, you getting tight. Damn, you know what?
That's all right. I'm gonna get this square right here, and then I'll get some more holes.
Because I'm going to come here and come down. Yeah. Ah, you know what? I need to hook up.
What's that?
I need to hook up and pull up. Yeah, it's best one. Let me hook up the trailer because they limited. They got everything that they could get to while I was gone. But it was a convenient thing for me, man, to be able to drop the rig, drop the trailer, and go 15 minutes away to go, quote, another job. I don't know what you call that, task switching, multitasking, I don't know. But anyway, it comes with it. To whom much is given, much is required, man. So you gotta figure it out. Gotta use common sense, use your wit. A lot of people ain't got common sense out here, man. I'm telling you. The youngins today, especially, man, I be wondering what be on their minds. Like, what were you thinking? Does that really make sense? Time is money. You gotta maximize your time so that you're making money, not look for a reason or an excuse to sit and do nothing because you're not getting paid for it, man. What is up with that? Somebody, can y'all explain that to me? I don't understand. I mean, literally it happened on a gig for me. Yeah, man, I just didn't understand it. Even after giving instruction, I just didn't get the response or the feedback or the outcomes that I was hoping to get from it. But I did get, yeah, you're right. I did get one of those. But at this point, there should be an action that takes place. You got to do something once you realize, you know what? You're right. But nothing. 30 minutes later, they're moving. But we've done, I mean, this actually happened today. And again, I'm using it as a learning experience for myself. But this actually happened today. 30 minutes later, they moved. But by then, we had already relocated, set up, and got done in 20 minutes what they literally could have completed over an hour and a half, 2 hours ago on everything I love. I love this stuff, and I know that there's a right way and a way not to do it. Let's change that. I know that there's a way that I do it, and there's a way that other people do it. And to me, it just doesn't make sense. And we're talking specifically for the younger generation and how they apply day-to-day stuff to work is what I'm trying to get through or trying to explain. Other than that, man, today was a good day. Estimates went good. I'm gonna send these numbers over to my people so that we can get this quoted and hopefully move on to the next one, man. We were trying to get ahead a day by utilizing, another crew or someone else, but it literally had us delayed because now we're actually performing the work that they should have done, and we could have been closing this out in the next hour or 2 hours and then had tomorrow off, literally. But at any rate, we're gonna come back tomorrow, coming back with reinforcements, and we're gonna make it do what it do, man. Hopefully we'll be out of here before noon so that we can enjoy the rest of the weekend and get back to it on Monday. Y'all watch on. Peace! Got something you want to say to the world, Sam? Wash on. Those are famous words.
Keep washing. Stay wet.
Yes, indeed. Oh, man. We out here banging this out, man. Yeah. Surprised it's school. I don't know. Stop for water. Maybe somebody forgot to cut the water on. Who knows? We'll figure it out in a minute.